Hello children, welcome to Awareness Skill Book, page number 62. Water. Write the names of the sources of water from the help box. Now what are the sources of water? The first main source of water is rain. We get water from rain. This is river. Well. This is pond. Also we get water from the bore wells, tap. But the main source of water is rain. Now what is this, children? This is river. So here the spellings are given. W-E-L-L, well, R-I-V-E-R, river, R-A-I-N, rain, P-O-N-D, pond. So let us write this spellings. So the first one is river. So the spelling of river is R-I-V-E-R. R-I-V-E-R. Okay, river. Now this is clouds and the raindrops are falling down. So the spelling of rain is R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Next one is well. So W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. And the last one is pond. P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. So water is very important in our daily life. Now let us see for what purpose we are using water. We are using water for, first of all, drinking, cooking, washing, then bathing. So we are using the water. Now here you can see the actions here. See the boy here. He is standing under the shower. And here you can see the boy sitting and having bath. He has filled up the bucket and he is not wasting the water. So which is the correct one? Standing under a shower and wasting water is wrong. And filling the bucket with water and using the water to have a bath, this is the correct action that help us to save water. So we have to take here. Next one you can see here. The girl brushing her teeth. See, there is a glass. Now here it is a mug. Mug in her hand, glass, and she is brushing her teeth. And here you can see the girl brushing the teeth, but the tap is on. And the water is flowing down in the basin. So this is very wrong, children. We should not waste water. So which is the correct action to save water? Yes, this is the correct action. Next one you can see they are washing the cars. Okay, using the bucket, washing the car. No, they're cleaning the car with the help of the bucket and the cloth. And here you can see this man with the pipe. He is washing his car. So which is the correct one you think? This or this? Yes, this is the correct way to save water. So children, saving of water is very important. Always save water. Do not waste water. So this we have to keep in our mind and we have to follow the rules. So this is today's GK class. We will see in the next class. Till then, take care children. Bye bye.